Hi, I'm Marna, and today we're going to be doing something that children should not, the accident-prone should not, and the messy should not do. I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Darren when we get to that part because I might fall into one of those categories, or two. Anyway, my BJD doll came with her ears pierced. However, when I went to put earrings into the hole, not only would the earrings not go, it's not very deep. These are human-size earrings that we're going to be using. Darren will tell you the drill bit size, tiny, that's what, tiny. And he'll tell you more about how he's going to do that.
Okay, we're going to poke some holes in this doll's head with this little bit. Now what I've found, this seems to be about the right drill bit size. For me, it's a number 64, which is like 0.065 inches. It's a tiny little drill bit, easy to break. Don't break it if you can. Earrings here that we have here today are a little bent. They're kind of messed up. They got them, I think she got them at a thrift store. What I have found, this drill, the holes here in this doll's head are a little too big and they won't hold the drill bit or the earrings properly. You'll see here that they're also angled funny. If I can get it in the hole here, the hole points down and forward, meaning that the earring would actually look like it's sagged and point forward, almost like headlights. And usually the earrings tend to hold the plane of the ear here. So you kind of want the hole to be perpendicular to that plane of the ear. And we're going to try and correct that because it is shallow. We're going to drill at that correct angle and hopefully we'll get something to work. Marna assured me that failure or mistake would be allowed. So hopefully I won't mess it up, but if I do, she won't be too angry about it. And what we're going to do is come here at this hole and kind of try and stay more square to the ear, more perpendicular, I should say. And there we go. For the squeamish who like to pretend they're real people, I guess that kind of freaks you out, but it's just plastic. All right, and try to fit here and see. I made the 64 bit is a little bit smaller than the ears. The plastic has or the earring posts, and the plastic has a little give, but it makes for a tight fit. These will not fall out. So you can see there, there's a little bit of goop on the bottom of the earring, so I can't get it pressed all the way flush to the ear. But
they were off a porcelain doll.
Yeah. So, but she can find a different set of earrings or clean them up however she wants. And then we're going to try and replicate the same here. Again, trying to get them a little more forward, pointing more parallel or perpendicular, I should say, to the ear itself. So and God willing, there we go. Another set of ears pierced. Hopefully they look right. The earrings are a little crooked to the posts, so they might not be sitting quite right, but they just need to be bent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.